In this video, we're going to walk through the contacts section of SMS-iT. So in the left-hand rail, you'll click on contacts and you'll notice it opens three different things: manage contacts, import contacts, and export contacts. So let's click on manage contacts. This will bring you in so that you can see all of the contacts that you have in your list, as well as the groups they're subscribed to, whether they're a subscriber or if they've opted out. You can see if you've imported them or if they have texted to join your lists. And then you have a few different icons here. One, to send a message directly to someone. Two, you can see the activity on the timeline of communication with that phone number. Three, you can go in and edit that contact, like maybe now you have their name and email address and you want to manually put it in there. This will unsubscribe them. And then the last one will delete them completely from the platform. Now, on the left-hand rail, the other things you can do is you can click on import contacts. Now notice, this is important. If you're importing from a spreadsheet, a CSV file, for example, okay, you've got to upload CSV, all right? So if you're doing that, the first row should be the header row. Okay, this has got the name of, like, name, phone number, email address, things like that along the top. And of course, look at this. If you've got a list bigger than 25,000, split it into multiple files. All you have to do is click on choose file, and then you'd select a spreadsheet of numbers that you want to import, like this. You'll click open. And then you say, yes, they're 100% opt-in. This means, read this, these must be people that have given you express written consent already. So that means they've either given it to you in writing or you've added them from them texting in to join a list. But at the end of the day, seek legal counsel on this. Don't take advice from a tutorial video. Make sure you've got people legally opted in before you do this. Once you click next, then it'll bring you to the screen where you can map it out. First things first, choose what group they're going to be added to. The next thing is this: select the name column. In this case, I've got first name. Down here, choose the prefix for your country code. If you've already got the country code in there, then what you want to do is just scroll up and remove that. That way it doesn't duplicate it and put the country code in twice. Next thing is over here, you'll choose phone number. And then if you've got some of this other info, you can select those fields. But if you don't, you just move down here and click next, and boom, now they're added to your list. Last but certainly not least is export contacts. When you click on this, it will export all of your contacts inside your database, all of them with one click. It downloads a CSV file for you that you can open up to see all your contacts. That's how easy it is to walk through the contacts section of SMS-iT.